Welcome once again to our channel. This is Farm Synergy TV. Here we'll give you updates on farming 101, fish farming, rabbit farming, BSF farming. But today we're going to demonstrate how to fertilize catfish egg. The males have been already removed. In our previous video, you can watch the video where we showed how to remove the males. But in this video, we are going to show you how to fertilize the eggs. Also, we have a video of how to strip catfish eggs, so you can watch the video also to get a hint of how to remove the eggs, how to remove the milk sac, and we are now showing you how to fertilize. So if you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe. Here you can learn how to practice fish farming, catfish breeding. So let's get to it. Do well to subscribe, hit the notification button for updates so we don't miss any of our updates. There are two ways to do it. Either one, we're going to demonstrate the two. One is to do it directly, cut the milk sac open directly inside the egg. So I'm cutting it open now. As you can see, the milk are coming out. See how milky it looks. It's milky in color. Hope you are seeing it. Come close now. So I have a close view. I'm cutting it, releasing the milk inside the egg, and afterwards we're going to put saline water. So this is how to cut directly inside and mix with saline water and turn it, stir perfectly so that all the taste are mixed. So that's the first one. So the second one is to empty it inside the saline water. So here I'm going to show the stuff now. Bring the camera close. Yeah. So I'm emptying, cutting it open, the milk sac open inside the saline water. So the sperms are going to be inside this water. So afterwards I'll introduce the water into the eggs. This one, to make sure that both are effective, but I prefer this one because it gives the sperm free movement to swim around. Then when you pour the water, it can circulate easily. So see how the water has turned milky. So we're now going to pour the water inside the egg. So that's it. Then you stir. Make sure you sterilize what you are using and wash it with saline water. Then the eggs, you're going to stir it very well before going to spread it in the kakaban. We have already established the kakaban where we'll spread it. We'll show that in our next video. So if you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe for us to be able to bring you more updates like this. These are free training videos that you pay a lot of money to learn, but we are bringing it to you free of charge. All you need to do is like, share, subscribe for more updates like this. We're bringing you more updates free of charge. So you are stirring. So from here now we'll go to the hatchery where we'll spread these eggs on the kakaban. Kakaban is an artificial substrate where fertilized eggs are spread for them to incubate and hatch into fry. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.